want to connect the Arduino to my PC for the first time. And what I've got here is my Arduino Uno, and then I've got a standard USB connector cable that comes in the kit. So my laptop here is a Windows 8 laptop, and on it I have my Arduino Sketch software. So let's run this. And when it comes up, I can see right here that under my Tools serial port, it's grayed out, and it tells me that there's not anything connected. There's no Arduino connected to this computer right now, and that makes sense because I haven't plugged it in. So I'm going to do the obvious here. I'm going to take my USB and I'm going to plug it into my computer, and then I'm going to take and I'm going to plug it into my Arduino. Now you should hear this thing click for a minute, and then it's going to go through its standard stuff. It'll come up and it'll say that it has found the board. Now I may get an error. I may get things down here in the corner of my windows that tell me that it didn't load. If that's the case, there's going to be another tutorial that will show you where to find the drivers. They're located in a directory of stuff that we downloaded. But for now, when I go back here, my serial port's now lit. And in my case, you got a COM11. You may have anything depending on your machine. You may not have COM11. I do. Okay, so I'm going to select that. It says use COM11. I'm then going to come in and I'm going to select my board. Now, there are all kinds of board types here. Any Arduino you have, even if it's an off-brand, if it's one of the Funduinos or a Cduino, it's going to tell you that it emulates an Arduino. And in this case, I'm using a true Arduino Uno, so I'm going to select Arduino Uno. I'm going to come back over, and I'm going to go into my File, Examples, Basic, and I'm going to get the bare minimum code. It opens up into a new window, so I'm just going to close out the old one here and look at the new one. This is the absolute minimum code that we can ever put onto an Arduino, and we're going to do it just to test. So we're going to hit the upload button, and we look down here, it says it's compiling, it's uploading, and it's done. That's it. Because it's done that, it tells us now that we've had connection with our Arduino, that our computer is talking to it, and now we can step off and we can start trying to write some code. So very simply, File, Examples, Minimum is the one that we want to use to test, just to make sure that we can connect to the Arduino.